Do you want to make money on YouTube using Amazon affiliate marketing? Stick around till the end of the video to find out how. In today's video I am going to be showing you how to make money on YouTube using Amazon. Now, why Amazon affiliate marketing and not Google AdSense? Well, with AdSense you've got to have a channel that's got 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. What if you want to make money now, before you have these requirements met? This is where Amazon affiliates comes in. Before we dive into the video, let's talk about what is the Amazon affiliates program. The Amazon affiliate program helps content creators. In simple words, Amazon will pay you a commission every time a customer buys a product using the affiliate link you provide. You can become an Amazon associate as soon as you have a YouTube channel. Plus, if you have followers on other social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter, then you can share your links on these platforms and make money even faster. So, how do you start with Amazon affiliates? Well, the first thing you have to do is create a YouTube channel. And since you're watching me on YouTube, I assume you already have created a YouTube channel. The next thing you want to do is sign up as an Amazon affiliate. Now all you have to do is create a video about a product. More specifically, you want to choose a topic that is highly targeted. For example, let's say you are going to make a video about an iPhone 12. You go to Amazon, and you will see a bar called Site Stripe. Then you search for the product you are doing a video about. In this case it is the iPhone 12. After that, you click on Get Link and Amazon will give you a shortened link that when you share it you will get a commission for selling this product. You can also get a link for an individual product. All you got to do is click on the product and then go to that same bar and click on Get Link. You will get a shortened link for that specific product, and you can put it in the description of your video. To make more money on YouTube, you just gotta create more videos on this product and post it to YouTube with that affiliate link. Then go on to another product that is linked to your niche and make content on that product with your affiliate link in the description. Over time, your videos will get more views and clicks, and you will start making money on YouTube using Amazon. If you are in the technology niche, then you can make video on laptops, phones, cameras, etc. You can even make a top 10 video and put even more links in the description of the video. This way, you can make more money on YouTube through these links. The good thing about affiliate marketing is that as long as the video is not deleted, it will keep getting views and will keep making you money if people buy the product using the link you provide. If you want to know more ways to make money on YouTube, then check out this video. I will leave a link to it in the description below. That is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.